because we're having action time.
We have introduced the winner of the Goofy Challenge. Is watch out for the frogs. I don't think I should be. Save your life.
This is Officer Jackson. What seems to be a problem?
Sir, we have a lot of serious calls from most people with the same tragedy.
Damn it. What is the problem with the same tragedy then?
Most people says there's a car crashing and destroyed everything in the Okioroshi Mall, and it's still going on.
Roger that. We better get going quick before the mall is destroyed total. Call the others immediately.
This is a serious emergency. The police are now here to chase and arrest us. To any of you who's currently down, we better kick their butts before they arrest us. Hurry and get off right now. You got that. Holy crap. officers before we're getting arrested.
You're high welcome, my boss. We freaking had so much fun to crash and racing you until we freaking got injured so insane.
Yeah. Short on seconds in. And the mall is about to destroy the total. So we should go home now, guys.
Hold it right there and freeze. We're now up. I said freeze. No talking or else we'll force and shoot you.
One question. What exactly happened at the Okioroshi mall with these destructions? Especially for cars in there as well.
Huh? What cars?
Behind you, you mother...
Oh, those cars? We swear that we never got.
You can deny your all you want, Jack. And we're going to shoot you. We're going to shoot you that way. So easily, else we'll shoot you as an execution. Now explain.
Okay. We will explain. Yes, we have crashed and racing all over the mall because we freaking wanted fun of racing instead of always played through video games.
Yeah, you guys are win. Go on, arrest us whatever you want.
Alright, thank you for your explain what happened in the mall. This means you four are under arrest for racing and crashed through the mall.
And because you almost killed all of the police during racing, you all will stay in jail with the same brutal punishments for you. Now all of you, get in the police car.
Well, fuck. We are so fucking dead meat once our parents hears this shit.